Each day I do the same thing. Over the years, I've found repeating one simple process is the best way to be successful in trading. Here's the steps. Number 1, find areas on the chart where liquidity hunts exist. Number 2, wait for the critical area to flush. Number 3, ensure price behave based on the entry criteria. Number 4, execute only when price tells us to. I share these setups daily with subscribers at ESDaily. The process is repeatable, and over time it becomes second nature. This video shows the textbook failed breakdown off a pre-planned level, executed in the middle of the night with all the pieces lined up. This is the 6260 FBD trade from July 14th. How we prepped it, how we waited for confirmation, and how we executed it. The same process. Let's walk it through. From July 3rd to July 18th, price found itself in a 90-point consolidation window, 63.33 to 62.46. We had no idea which way the market was going to break, but that's not something we need to know. We need to know where the high probability setups are. Friday, July 11th, I wrote about the best opportunity based on market structure. In the July 11th game plan, I wrote, opportunity number 3, failed breakdown 62.60. If we take out 62.76 and sellers rush in, a break of 62.61 with acceptance above 62.46 is the setup. Ideally, we bottom around 62.54, no knife catching. That level came from Wednesday's action where 62.60 to 62.61 held as a floor before a 70-point rally. This was in the lower third of that 2-week 90-point range. So this wasn't new. It was marked, written, and understood days in advance. Fast forward to Sunday night. Gap down. ES bottoms at 62.63, bounces to 62.80, then chops. But at 1:30 a.m., we break 62.63 and hit 62.60 right on top of the zone. Then it flushed it. We bounced to 62.68, then flushed 62.60. That flush was key. Acceptance formed. The setup was live. So on the recovery, I added at 62.60.25. I wrote it out in the room and referenced 62.76 and 62.88 as my targets. In 20 minutes, we rallied to 62.78. T1 hit locked that in. Then just before the bell, price lifted again, this time off the 62.83 consolidation, and drove to 62.96. T2 hit, booked another 20% there. As always, I reduce all risk from the trade at this point and moved my stop move to break even. And I left a 10% runner in the trade. The trade checked every box. Planned level. Confirmation from price. Executed by rule. This wasn't guessing. It was a pattern we see play out time and time again. We just executed. Want trades like this before they happen? Go to ESDaily.com and get the levels that matter, the ones that shift momentum, and the ones that offer the best risk to reward.